Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, and you go down. Just keep going down here. So you come here to Equalizer here. Just click on it, and you come to next step here, and there can you management here in this list. So can you manage it in this list? So and there can you if you want to enable it or disable it here. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.